Alright, we're over at the pond. Went for a little drive. We were just up at the top of the hill. Let's go check this out.
Little water.
Little runoff from the lake.
The water's pretty clear.
Yeah, it is. Ooh, there's even ice on the lake. Nice pavilion, little dock over there.
Nice. It's grass back here.
Little culvert, needs cleaned. Has some leaves. Old barn. A little pavilion, look at this. Pretty cool.
You can probably get pretty pictures out here in the summer.
Oh yeah, I would agree. Looks like the dock is a little bit newer. Pretty sturdy.
Yeah.
Looks like a couple of docks. You have one over here, and there's one down at the other end too. A couple places you can fish.
And a little lighthouse.
Little lighthouse. Probably a nice view. How about that?
I'm gonna go see it.
Go check it out.
Yeah. The date is 1844.
Wow. These are some old stones. It makes you wonder what these were used for. Almost look like there's markings on these stones.
It's cool.
Erected by J.N.C. Johnson, AD 1844.
Is it Johnson or John Stone?
I don't,
Tiny. Looks
I don't
like
know.
An E, maybe.
Maybe it was an E. But there's definitely it's chiseled.
But there's something there.
Yep, something was there. So maybe it's not Johnston. Might have been John Stone. 1844. Pretty cool.
Yeah. What's the noise?
Might be a pump.
You got the sun in the back.
Nice.
It's pretty out here.
All right, you ready?
Yeah.
Head back and start cooking some dinner.
Yep.
Turkey dressing. Happy Thanksgiving. Yep. All right. I think we're done with this vid. Walk through. Watch your step. That's a big hole right there.
Yeah.
All right, happy Thanksgiving, everybody.
Happy Thanksgiving.